Sometimes we change our properties with different colors in a certain layer, and then we forget about that which layer we have changed when we have a huge work. Suppose if I change that color to a certain color here, from here, suppose red, and for that part, if we change for suppose that color, and again for that part and that part, here, here and here, if we go for another color, suppose, so this is our color combination. But now I want that, or I want to change that color from layer. Okay, so which layer we are using? We are using that layer, and I want to use the color of that layer is that one, and then okay. So just see, everything changed automatically, but not here. This red color and that color and that color are not changing. So why? Because this color is not as per our layer. And now you have changed your mind that you need to change your color as per layer. So how we'll do that? Simply we'll select all of our model where we need to change our color. Just come here, click here and click here, set to ByLayer, set to ByLayer. Okay, or you can write set B. Okay, set B and set B and enter. Then select the object here, select the object, then enter, and change block to layer. Change block to layer. If yes, then yes. Include block, yes. Just see, all of your color have been changed, your specific color. Now if you change here in suppose black, and okay, everything will change. So this is the way to change your color or use your ByLayer color default. So thank you very much.